Hi, I'm Tamika.
I'm your boy E-Rock now.
We keep it real.
We keep it raw.
We keep it uncut.
All day.
And we are Marriage
Takeover.
Listen, we help couples win in their marriage by identifying the triggers as well as breaking generational cycles.
While being happily married now, we were on the brink of divorce.
We didn't want to be in the same household. We didn't want to be under the same roof. We couldn't
afford to be apart.
We couldn't afford to be apart, so we had to stick it out. We were super duper roommates, and we did not know how to communicate with each other, and it was a disservice to the both of us as well as our marriage. And because we've been there, we understand what it feels like. And so this is why we have Marriage Takeover.
Yes, we know how it feels to be unappreciated, unheard, overlooked, devalued.
In a sexless marriage.
Sexless marriage, aka you get none. Praise him.
And because we were able to overcome, what we've done is we have now a mandate to be able to help other couples, and that's why we do what we do. We have a passion to help you win in your marriage.
To let you know, one, that you're not by yourself, but we know how it is to be in the mud and the thick of things, but also we also know how to get out. Because it's not just a us work, but it is also a me work.
Right. So we serve couples in crisis mode, and then we also serve and support couples in just maintaining a healthy marriage. So welcome to the Marriage Takeover movement. We are excited to have you here, and we are excited to see you win in your marriage.